Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, December 31st. As we enter the new year later today, tomorrow, I want to share this beautiful practice from one of my favorite restorative teachers, Jillian Pransky. Right away, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, into your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Imagine that you could breathe directly through your heart. Imagine that the heart is where the air flows in and out of you. Let your breath flow freely in and out of your heart. Let your breath soften you, uncovering layers of you, allowing room for you to unfurl, all of you. Your breath tenderly receiving everything it comes in contact with. Welcoming your deepest feelings openly, unwaveringly. Welcoming all your feelings, your joys and your sorrows. Allow your breath to be a gentle listening space. Your breath listens wholeheartedly to all that it meets, staying with you no matter what arises. Your breath is always present, always listening to you. So now you allow yourself to listen to your infinite breath as it flows in and out of your heart. Your breath will teach you how to listen. Listen softly. Listen to yourself as your breath listens to you. May you begin the new year feeling more clear and connected. May you land. May you remember that the ground, the support, is always there underneath you, holding you. May you allow your breath to flow freely. May you arrive on your breath into the present moment. May you relax. May you release your obvious tension and habitual gripping, maybe in your jaw, shoulders, belly. May you listen inward. May you allow yourself to notice whatever arises. May you be at ease with the full range of sensations in your body, rush of emotions, array of thoughts, sometimes seemingly unbearable. May you practice allowing over and over again. Now take a nice inhale and exhale and imagine yourself entering the year 2024. How does it feel like to be there? If you were to choose one word to describe this feeling, what would it be? And don't get hung up on finding this perfect word. It's the feeling that's more important. Let this word just come from your heart, however imperfect it may seem at the moment. Don't worry about how you will arrive at feeling this way in the new year. That is not yet important. The how trails the commitment to show up as your authentic self. It will come. What is important is that you remember that every moment carries with it the opportunity to change, the opportunity for choice. If you have a pen and paper handy, you may open your eyes and write down this one word that describes how you want to show up feeling in year 2024. But if you don't have a pen and paper, do it later. Again, let this word come from your heart and body, not from your brain. Once you write out this word, whether it is right now or later after we finish the practice, I recommend that you place it somewhere in your line of vision. Maybe it's on your fridge. Maybe you make a screensaver on your phone or computer so that the reminder of how you want to feel in 2024 always be with you. And may you always remember that you can begin again in any moment. And in any moment, you can choose how you want to move forward. I want to conclude this practice with a quote from Gillian Pransky. To experience our own spaciousness, we don't have to be better and do more. We have to be here and do less. As you flow through the new year, day by day, I invite you to repeat this process of landing and allowing again and again, so that you can experience your own spaciousness and always remember that you are enough just the way you are. May you always be filled with loving kindness. May you always feel peaceful and at ease. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for a wonderful year we had together, another amazing year together. And Happy New Year. I'll see you tomorrow in the year 2024. Enjoy your day.